When I was young, I dreamt that I could fly like a golden eagle soaring through the sky. So I signed up for trapeze at no fit, hoping to be that eagle I dreamt of as a kid. Our teacher is called Jane, and I tried to obey her. The well took over when she was in the Himalayas. Despite all their efforts to make my swing less jerky, that golden eagle is just a Christmas turkey. I don't believe I can fly. Paige, Bird and John, they go so high, and they land with grace and class, while I just fall flat on my ass. I stand there watching in awe, while to the rafters they all soar, and as they swing to the heavens, I gasp at their perfect sevens. But then it's finally my go. I run up the ladder so full of hope. I'm sure I'm gonna crack it this time. I'm gonna be that eagle in the sky. I grab hold of the bar. I'm gonna be a shooting star. I step off towards lane and land flat on my ass again.